Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here with me. Sorry I've not been uploading a whole lot lately, but, you know, things have been a little crazy in his house. Nothing bad. Just, you know, things, life. But I'm here today to do a Should It Stay or Should It Go with the Colourpop It's All Good palette. Is it all good? That remains to be seen. Do you even know what this palette looks like? It looks stunning. It looks like all the colors that I love. It looks like if this palette is still good, I might be able to get rid of like a bunch of other palettes, which is scary. And so I'll be getting into this. It's got some glitters, it's got some shimmers, it's got some mattes, it's got some beautiful colors that'll make my eyes pop. These purples will just make my eyes explode. They'll be so green. So green they explode. That's the magic that I'm looking for, is exploding eyeballs from a palette. Aren't you? And my teeth are in progress. Ignore the tooth that's missing for months. But it's just a matter of time before it is ready. My teeth, and then it'll take me a while to get used to having that extra stuff in my mouth. Isn't that what she said? Anyway, I'm going to start with All About It. This nice little pretty neutral color. It's kind of peachy. It's more peachy than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like a neutral taupe color. But it's a peachy color. It's very pretty. Very pretty. I just have to remember to put mascara on today. I did a look not that long ago and forgot to put mascara on. That was a bit of a misstep. And I went out without mascara. That was crazy. Not as crazy as Chinese slaw. You don't know what that is? There's a deli here that has Chinese slaw, and it's pretty crazy. Just imagine slaw, but Asian. Could be delicious. What colors do I want to go into? I want to go into this color here, which is called 10 out of 10. And it is gorgeous. It's got a lot of gold in it and pink. Kind of peachy gold. Kind of goes with what I've got started. A cat has entered the room. So that means any kinds of shenanigans that a cat can do could happen. Like noises, knocking things over, jumping in and out of boxes. It's all possible. It's all probable. Now I gotta get out of this peachy mood because I want to wear some purples. Or maybe some pinks. So I'm gonna go into Margarita here. It's like a shimmery, glittery. Look at that. Colorful look. I've been doing a lot of neutrals lately. It's time I got some color back in my system. It's a matte with glitter in it. Ooh, it's pretty. Pretty bold. Let me get my blending brush out and have at it. Soften this up. So that is a harsh line. And this is the best blending brush I have. And it's a Luxie brush. That looks much better. And now I have to go deeper, because this looks just like crazy pink mayhem on my eyes. So I'm going to go purple. I'm going to go to Dear Diary, which is, no, I'm going to go darker. I'm going to go into Paradiso down here in the purple world. That looks much better. This palette has a lot to offer. And it's been a long time since I've used it. I haven't used Colourpop hardly at all lately. That's super pretty. Here's a nice shimmery shade for my inner corner, which is called Happy Go Lucky. It's about perfect for an inner corner. What of it? It's so pretty. I love it. Now it needs eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll have to do some lips. And that is always the most fun, getting into some lip action. Shaking up my little dual-ended Stila Stay All Day eyeliner. And I just love making a little wing. And that is a big wing. So I made a big wing on the other side. You hear a cat scratching. I shared the room with a litter box, so didn't mean to make you think about cat butts and cat litter, but it's just reality here. And that looks good. It's a wing. It's a thing. It's a glorious wing. We love it. And I'm going to use the Stila Huge mascara. It's a great mascara. And they put it in boxes sometimes. That's how I got the eyeliner, was in a BoxyCharm. Well, they're just tap dancing right now. They're just being a thorough cat. I'm sure you wanted to hear about all that. What a healthy kitty. I wish I could edit the sound out, but I cannot. This is a really good mascara. It's really giving me some volume and some length. Very nice. I feel glamorous. Glamorous, just gonna meet up with some friends for little fun times, little shenanigans. And I'm gonna do a pretty lip. I'm gonna do this one, which is number 410 Party Goer. Let's do a little test. Oh yeah, we're doing this one. Looks good. Gonna blot it. And I've got a fantastic look for an evening evening out. Well, I think I'm going to keep this palette because it's all good. It's a good palette. It's got lots of punch and color and shades and shimmers, and it just turned out so pretty. So I'm going to keep this palette. I might get rid of some of my other palettes that are Colourpop because they're kind of redundant. That'll be another episode of the show. Should it stay or should it go? This will stay. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.